what to say. The second one is how to say it. We are learning C1 level of vocabulary here. So we have learned plenty of words in the part one. With the letter F, we're going to learn the second phase of the language vocabulary. This is going to be the part two now.
His flamboyant style and dressing look attractive and attention.
His excuse for being late was quite flimsy.
Flimsy excuses इस्तेमाल होता है collocation.
My first word is foolproof. FOOLPOOF. Foolproof. And its Urdu meaning is mukammal mahfuz.
Right.
And we will use it in a sentence like this. The security system is designed to be foolproof.
In language learning training, there are two important components. The first one is what to say. The second one is how to say it. What to say means vocabulary and its content, and how to say it is the grammar. We are practicing both things here to make your language perfect here at Genius Institute Lahore's platform in spoken English class. So here we go. We have done a bit of practice in the part one. This is going to be the part two now. We are learning C1 level of vocabulary here. So we have learned plenty of words in the part one. And with the letter F, we're going to learn the second phase of the language vocabulary. So here we go. Yes, dear friends, it's going to be your word now.
My first word is figurative.
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 Figurative. How do you spell that?
Figurative. Figurative.
Figurative. Wow.
It's mean majazi.
Majazi. There is a literal meaning of a word and then there is a figurative meaning. तो ये figurative की बात कर रहे हैं. FIGURATIVE. Figurative.
Now let's use into sentence. Poets often use figurative language.
Poet often use figurative language. No doubt about that. Very good.
Now my second word is flamboyant.
Flamboyant.
FLAME. Flame.
FLAME. Is there E or not? See it.
No, sorry.
So please.
FLAMBOYANT.
Yes, flamboyant. FLAMBOYANT. Flamboyant means
Urdu means numaya.
numaya, right? Prominent.
Now let's use into sentence. His flamboyant style and dressing look attractive and attention.
Oh, attracts attention. His flamboyant look attracts attention of every Tom, Dick and Harry. Very good. Good words.
My word is flimsy. Nazuk, kamzor. His excuse for being late.
No, first of all, the spelling of flimsy.
FLIMSY.
Flimsy, right.
His excuse for being late was quite flimsy.
Flimsy excuses इस्तेमाल होता है collocation. Right. His excuse for being late was flimsy. Right. बहुत ही कमजोर था.
My second word is fluctuate.
Right.
FLUCTUATE.
Fluctuate.
Utar chadhav.
Right.
Prices of oil tend to fluctuate.
Prices of oil tend to fluctuate. Right. Fluctuate is a verb and fluctuation is its noun. Fluctuation. Right. Fluctuate. Good word.
My first word is foolproof. FOOLPOOF. Foolproof. And its Urdu meaning is mukammal mahfuz.
Right.
And we will use it in a sentence like this. The security system is designed to be foolproof.
The security system is designed to be foolproof. Right.
And my next word is foreseeable.
Foreseeable. Foresee, पेशगोई करना. Foreseeable, जिसकी पेशगोई की जा सकती है. Right.
And we will use it in a sentence like this. No major changes are expected in the foreseeable future.
Oh, no major changes, no revolution is expected or anticipated in the foreseeable future. आइंदा आने वाले पेशगोई किए जाने वाले फ्यूचर में कोई मेजर चेंजेस नहीं होंगी.
My first word My first
You
word,
continue, guys. Yes.
my first word is formidable. Formidable.
Formidable.
Formidable.
Right. Formidable.
It's mean zabardast. Let's use it in sentence. She has a formidable reputation in industry.
शानदार और जबरदस्त होता है formidable. Right. Sentence क्या है जी आपका?
She has a formidable reputation in industry. My second word is
उसकी इंडस्ट्री में एक शानदार साख है. Right.
My second word is foster. Foster. It's mean परवरिश करना. Let's
फरोग देना, परवरिश करना.
let's use it in sentence. The teacher for the
Okay.
teacher fostered a love for reading among student.
The teacher fostered love
For reading among student.
for reading among students. Very nice. टीचर ने रीडिंग के हवाले से स्टूडेंट्स में रीडिंग के हवाले से मोहब्बत को फरोग दिया उस्ताद ने क्लास में. शाबाश. Fostered. Okay, the next one, please.
Sir, my first word is fracture,
Fracture.
and its meaning in Urdu is haddi tootna ya darar.
Darar. Shabash.
And there is a sentence: he suffered a fracture in his leg.
And you have fractured my confidence by criticizing me. आपने दरार डाली मेरे कॉन्फिडेंस में मुझे क्रिटिसाइज करते हुए. सो ये इसको इस तरह से फिगरेटिवली इस्तेमाल किया जाए. एक तो लिटरल ट्रांसलेशन हड्डी तोड़ना है, दरार डालना. राइट. पंक्चर कॉन्फिडेंस या फ्रैक्चर द कॉन्फिडेंस. राइट.
And my sir, my second word is fragile.
फ्रेजाइल.
Fragile.
FRAGILE. फ्रेजाइल. नाजुक, कमजोर.
And its meaning in Urdu is nazur kamzor. And there is a sentence: the glass vase is very fragile.
The glass was VASA. गुलदान जो है is very fragile. Right. शीशे के बने हुए बर्तन होते हैं उसके ऊपर डिब्बे पे लिखा होता है fragile. Right. The next word, please. The next words, please.
My first word is fraudulent.
Very good. Gentlemen, yes, sir. All right. The first word is fraudulent. Fraud से है fraudulent. धोखाधड़ी पर मबनी जो होती है चीज fraudulent. 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 Right.
The sentence is: the company was accused of fraudulent activities.
The company was accused of. उस पे इल्जाम लगाया गया of fraudulent activities. कंपनी पर धोखाधड़ी के सरगर्मियों का इल्जाम लगाया गया. Right.
Next word is frivolous. Its meaning is गैर संजीदा.
Frivolous. FRIVOLOUS. मामूली या गैर संजीदा. Frivolous.
Its sentence is: he was criticized for his frivolous spending.
हाँ, उसे फजूल खर्ची पर तनकीद का सामना करना पड़ा. He was criticized for his frivolous spending. शाबाश.
My first word is frugal. FRUGAL. It means kafayat shuar. Let's use it in sentence. She is very frugal with her expenses. वो अपने अखराजात के बारे में बहुत कफायत शुआर है.
शाबाश. Frugal. Kifayat shar.
Yes.
She is very frugal about her expenses or expenditures. Right.
My second word is futile. FUTILE. It means bekar ya benatija. Let's use it in sentence. Their efforts to negotiate were futile. उनकी मुज़ाकरात की कोशिशें बेकार गईं.
Okay, and आपने जो पढ़ा है वो फ्यूटाइल नहीं हुआ क्योंकि बहुत अच्छा आपने पढ़ा है. शाबाश. We have learnt a lot. Futile and frugal. Right.
My first word is fusion.
इम्तिजाज या मिलाप के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है.
Fusion.
Fusion, fusion.
Let's use in sentence. The restaurant offer a fusion of Italian and Indian cuisine.
The restaurant offers a fusion of Italian and Indian cuisines. Right, ये रेस्टोरेंट अतालवी और भारतीय खानों का इम्तिजाज पेश करता है. Okay, the next.
My second word is furtive.
Furtive. Furtive. Furtive.
It's mean.
खुफिया, चोरी छुपे.
Let's use in sentence. He cast a furtive glance at his watch.
He cast a furtive glance at his watch. उसने चोरी छुपे अपनी घड़ी पर नजर डाली और वक्त देखा कि क्या हो गया है. Right, great. Thank you very much, guys and girls, for having a wonderful session. Today, we have done 30 words altogether in both videos, and I hope they are going to make a big difference, a huge difference in your knowledge, and you can use these vocabulary items in your language, especially in writing English, because they are all academic, formal words which you have learned today. And not only the words, with their spellings, with their pronunciation, and along with their sentences as well. So this was a great session today. Fantastic. Thank you, everybody.